Oleh tonton cho video toy niwa bupa chungchang kan soinga niwa bupa health insurance hianin min sponsor awang hianin he khu sa hen chuang thei kania chanchin toy khanan soilo kang aizola hen sang ni chumni pathum khanin branch nei tangin vointleng hen mumal takin akal chawa claim te success tak tak awma chuan cashless chen akala cashless hi ani dan phung ber zo kania chu empanel hospital ho kahan soinga ebenezer te LRM te Trinity te azol hospital te cashless ti theihna hospital ania voin thlengin claim an sur chho zut reng mai ni chuanin nuai ngai chunglam clear mai kha ani le ngala nuai som mi khang khang plan kha thlan theya chuan kamizir khanin premium te pokha chhut tur ania OPD te pokha claim the boka chutiang chuanin voin thlengin aizola hin local chomu mopani te kan soya ati vedu la hricheng du khan chonin comment ta te khan kan ron zo tanga kan ron bor ti anga chon kan no intril fiesel turangai la atang chon he khu sa hen kan program toite kan ron tilang don ani
many of Niva Bupa group but before we move forward I want to ask everyone how many of you have been to a cruise before? Okay. Oh, okay. Surprisingly, a lot of you have been to a cruise before. Are you excited to be here again?
yes.
Yeah. And those of you who have not, I want to ask you, are you excited to be sailing on the waters for the first time?
Yes.
बहुत ही ठंडा yes है. Are you excited? Yes. Let me tell you, there is a lot that you can do. Trust me, we have planned so much on the Empress, which we will get to towards the end. But first, let's begin with the award ceremony. So first up, I would like to say that Niva Bupa is India's fastest growing health insurance company. It's an organization which is committed towards caring for lives, building trust, and redefining health insurance with customer first values. And tonight, we all have gathered here to celebrate the winners, the champions Niva Bupa Health Captains for the contest RA 3.0 Fast and Furious from 1st to 15th of September 2025. But of course, it's not just about awards, it's about celebrating dedication, resilience, and the spirit of excellence. Now, without much ado, to move forward with the ceremony, I would like to call two of our leaders of Niva Bupa management over here to share a few words of wisdom, to share their thoughts and just address the crowd. I would like to invite Ms. Poonam Bajpai, our East Zonal Manager, and Mr. Prashant M, our South Central Zonal Manager over here. Can you please have you here? All right, can we have a huge round of applause for them? All right. Here we go.
Odi kad mi lotling mo zat lo man te kadang kan sem ni in hunang man chen kan manga chuan a expert tlang nel de ho chon kan pilen pu te hin bek bor kan ti pui toran nei char maya a chu teng vel chuan in an in ti chen ngam tlak ke ni chu kan la junior bo kan ti pui lutuk ngam lawa an fel khop maya min ngai sak khop maya lomam khop mai kha khami Niva Bupa bi ka kan program man thei kan ti chwa chu ni mai te se kalome